Welcome back, everybody, to the Brew Glitter Variety Show. I'm your host, Kim Krall, and today we're doing all things festive. I'm a bartender, you might be a bartender, and today I'm going to show you how to holiday up your bar while making some festive drinks. So let's get started and jingle these balls. Now we're gonna make one of my favorite holiday drinks, sangria. My favorite part about sangria is that it's different everywhere you go and you can pretty much make anything you want. Lots of fruit, red wine, and if you're a bartender, you're gonna get this drink a lot this season. So this is the sangria. I've already made it, but we're gonna shimmer it up a little bit with some Brew Glitter. I'm gonna use clear shimmer because I think it's gonna really pop with this sangria. And don't be alarmed, I'm gonna use a lot of Brew Glitter because it's a lot of liquid and we want it to shine through, right? Here we go, you ready? We're just gonna dump it in, friends. Ooh, oh, it's so pretty on top. There it is, there it is. Now we gotta stir it because we don't want the first drink to just be full glitter. Oh, wow, look at that. We really glittered it up, friends. I love it. What I love about sangria is that it's super easy to make. It's great to share at your gathering, and it's super refreshing, right? Like, red wine is great. I'm a red wine drinker, but this is like a great, refreshing, easy to share drink. Let's see. Let's pour it in with the glitter, especially if you sparkle it up, you know? Oh. Look at that. Now let's put a little bit of a garnish on. We got an orange here, and then I'm gonna put a little apple in. Look at this. This is perfect for your holiday party, for your bar, and everyone loves it. It's delicious, it's refreshing. Your guests are gonna love it. Cheers. Happy holidays, friends. All right, now we're gonna make a mocktail. This is for all your non-drinking friends and your kids. They're gonna love it. This is Christmas punch. I have orange juice, cranberry juice, some cider, and let's spruce it up a little bit before we glitter it up. We're gonna put some pomegranate seeds in here. So we are just gonna put this over and, oh, they're coming out. They are coming. Are they coming? Yes. All right, now we're gonna squeeze it. I think that's good. We're gonna garnish it up. We got some cinnamon sticks here. We got some cinnamon sticks. Let's get those in there. And then we got some star anise. I love the way these smell. Woo, here we go. All right, no, we're gonna get some Brew Glitter in there. All right, this is a lot of liquid, so I don't want to alarm you when I dump this entire thing in because you want it to shimmer and sparkle, right? All right, here we go. You ready? This is my favorite part. Ooh, look at that magic. All right, here we go. Ready for my actual favorite part? Ooh, can I hear that? Ooh, look how pretty. Yes. All right, so we've got our pretty chalice with the little gold rim. And I love this because the kids can drink out of this too, and it'll be like, you know, they're drinking a real cocktail. Like it's the 90s and you have a candy cigarette. All right, you ready for this? Just gonna pour this on in. You ready for that glitter? Ooh, And look how that gold Brew Glitter makes this drink pop and really sparkly. Ooh, look at it. Then we're gonna top it with some ginger beer to give it a little bit more bounce. Here it is, all right. Yes. And then I saved an anise because I wanna garnish it with the anise and just have it floating on top. Oh my gosh. Can you think of a more perfect mocktail? So pretty. Merry Christmas, everyone. Now we're gonna make one of my favorite holiday drinks, Boozy Eggnog. And how we're gonna do it, we're gonna start off by rimming it with the Brew Glitter Holiday Rimming Sugar. Perfect for a rim job. Here we go. Let's rim it up, friends. How many times can I say rim? Take a drink every time I do. Here we go. Look at this, it's perfect. It is green, red, and white. Yes, now let's add a little bit of whiskey because nothing is good without a little bit of whiskey, I say. 2 ounces here. Ooh, as I'm shaking. All right, now we're gonna add some cream. So my favorite two things in this world are rim jobs and a little bit of cream. So here we go. Ooh. Oh yeah, yes. Okay, I got a little too into it. All right, friends. I don't smoke, but get a cigarette, get a good rim job, and have yourself a Merry Christmas. Yuletide this log. Merry Christmas. Excuse me, bartender. Can I get a nog? Rimmed? All right, friends, it is fall time, which means it's football and getting sick season. And there are two things that I like to avoid: Raider fans and getting the flu. So what we're gonna make today is a home remedy type of drink that your grandma would have given you in the 90s when it was okay to give children booze, a hot toddy. But we're gonna sparkle it up a little bit. So let's add some Brew Glitter Red. You ready? We're gonna sprinkle it in. Sprinkle it in here, just a little bit. This is one of my favorite drinks. Years ago, I'm a diehard Denver Bronco fan, and a few years ago, I was watching the game when I was a little bit sick at the bar I worked at, and I was like, oh, I'll have a hot toddy, just one. All right, squeeze some lemon in. And the Broncos lost, so 1 turned into 7, and I got in a few fights. I have no regrets. All right, here we go. So we got some lemon in there. Now we're gonna put some honey, because we gotta coat that throat, baby. All right, a little honey. There we go. And then the most important part, the whiskey. Now, I'm not gonna use a jigger this time, because when you're feeling sick, whiskey is exactly what you want. Like I told you, my grandma fed me a lot of booze when I was younger. It was the 90s. By the way, if your parents gave you Robitussin, they didn't love you. Here we go. Now we got scalding hot water. That's the most important part. Otherwise, you're just drinking straight whiskey. Here we go. Oh my goodness, look at that, look at that. Ah, I can already feel my congestion going away. Let's see here, we're gonna stir with one of these beautiful straws. Yes, look at that sparkly hot toddy. You'll never have a hot toddy the same again if it's not glittery. Here it is, yeah. Cheers, go Broncos. Oh. Just like Grandma used to make it. All right, we have a new segment at the Brew Glitter Variety Show. I'm taking audience questions, and I'm gonna give you the best advice I can, which will be exactly the right advice because I have correct opinions and I'm super pretty. It's really hard. It's a hard lot in life. All right, just kidding. No, I'm not kidding. All right, here's our first question. You ready for this? Hi, Kim. My name is Sarah. I'm from Danville, Kentucky. My question is, there's a regular that comes into my bar and he's always been really cool to serve. But lately his jokes are extra funny. Ooh, Sarah. And I'm finding him to be really charming. He hasn't done anything to directly confirm that he's flirting with me, but I think I have a crush. How do I let him know without losing him as a regular customer? Sarah, you're the bartender. First of all, girl, like you're behind the bar, you automatically tick up like 17 more points of hotness. He's into you if he's making those jokes. I've always told my customers, the bartender will let you know if she's into you. Like the guys who come up and they're like, oh, Kim's into me. And you're like, no, I'm not. My job is to be nice to you and poison you. Those are my jobs. If the bartender's into you, she'll let you know. So it is your job, Sarah, to let him know. And I'm gonna be blunt, girl. Like if you're really that into him, you might just go for it. What's the worst that happens? He says no, it's weird for a little bit, be an adult, he'll come in, ask him out, leave your phone number. I like the cheesy high school, put your phone number on the check and just be like, I left my phone number for you, please text me. And if he's smart, he might be dumb. Yeah, he might be dumb. He might be like, oh, she probably just wants to be my friend. No, be like, you just gotta be direct, Sarah, I'm sorry, and you gotta risk losing him as a customer if you actually like him. But it kind of seems like he might like you. He's flirting with you. He's flirting with you. And men also only use their funny stuff on women they like. So if he's making you laugh and you're giggling and that's all, just go for it. Have the confidence, go for it. And if it doesn't go the way you want it to go, just be like all adults and just pretend nothing happened. Next time he comes in, just be like, hello, nothing happened, everything's fine. And then cry in the walk-in cooler like an adult, Sarah. That's it. That's our episode, friends. Now, this episode is for bartenders and bar owners, so you can make your bar extra lively this holiday season. You want to make those drinks sparkle and shine with Brew Glitter and our rimming sugars. We've got holiday, we got New Year's, and we got Blizzard. So get them in your bar now and sparkle things up. Happy holidays, friends. Cheers.